So my dad, mom, Drew, Winston, and I are heading to Vermilion Oregon here, and we are going for a walk. So we're just driving down the highway here. I did speed this up, obviously, just to save some time. And there's Winston, and here is just normal speed of just green. I love the shade. That felt nice. It's nice to breathe too, without the mask. We're hoping. So currently I don't know, I just decided to sit by the window. I don't know why. But I just heard that from the eavesdropping. No, I'm not eavesdropping. But people are starting to lose power in our area. We're having a windstorm. So that's what you hear outside. Is the wind. We did go on a hike today though. We knew about the hike before this windstorm. Thank goodness. We were back before we were back home before. Sorry, I'm eating food. We were back. Yeah, we went on the hike and all that stuff. The weather was actually pretty nice this morning. But now it looks like this. Winston, no. You're not allowed to chase the leaves like you normally do on walks. No. They're gonna be blowing. No. No. No.